Hi guys, mail call. It's been a couple of months, and was going to say finally got some more mail, but it's true. Come on, send me stuff. That way I know you love me. So anyways, I got one big one here, and I've got another one here. I have a feeling they're both from the same person. I know that my future father-in-law, Steve Robb, was planning on sending me something, and I have a feeling this is it. It doesn't say from who. It just says that it's from Amazon, Amazon package. This one, what does it say here? Same thing. It says Amazon. So, which should I open first? Let's go with the little guy first. Oh, opening it is out of frame. Sorry. I don't know if I can show that. Oh my god. And I'm gonna have to forward that. Yeah, we'll get back to this one. Oh my god. Am I turning red? Yeah. Oh my god. I'm sorry to keep you hanging there, but that's unbelievable. Yes, so I believe the bigger one here is from Papa Steve Robb. Uh-oh. Wow. I think, more so I think from Nicole, his daughter, because he said that she was concerned. Concerned about these precious babies here. So looks like the two of them sent me some gloves, some work gloves, and some rubber gloves. I'm gonna have to somehow impose a picture or superimpose, because this is green. It's obviously not showing up because of my green screen. But my father-in-law made an awesome video about gloves, and again, it was all for my sake. The video was dedicated to me, I believe. I'll link it in the description. You guys have a look at it. Very well produced video, and from the look of these gloves, how he demonstrated them, I mean, these will come in handy, and they look to be in good quality in terms of thickness. Not too thick, so you still get that tactile feel, sense, but the main thing is that they do not tear easily. And he stretched, I mean, he put these on. They're gloves that are supposed to go just up to your wrist, but he stretched them to his elbow. So that tells you what kind of abuse these gloves can take. I think they're, yes, Canadian prison system recommended. Bend over. So anyways, watch his video. Thank you, Steve, Dad, and Nicole. Mwah. So yeah, I guess I should open up the what's in here. So I really don't know if this was meant for me, or if Nicole got the address wrong. I think it was supposed to go to her, not me. But you're not going to see me wearing this. But well, I don't know. With enough money, anything is possible. So anyways, I don't know if I should show this. Okay, here we go. No, I don't know. Should I? Yeah. Okay, I'll show it. Just so you know that it's coming out of here. Okay. Wait. Hold on. Okay. I'm just blocking. I'm gonna put it in front of the envelope. I'm just putting the envelope there because of the green screen. So, anyways, he or she. Sorry, this is. Okay, I'm pretty sure this was supposed to go to Nicole and Dad, Steve. I'm sorry that if you find out this way that this is the kind of stuff she wears, but I'm assuming that she's going to be doing this for me. So there's the front half, and there's the back. So quite nice, huh? Yes. I don't know what to say. You're not going to see me wearing it, that's for sure. Unless you guys, somebody posts a GoFundMe or some kind of fundraising scheme at $10,000, then I'll put it on. I'll stick to that. Anyways, that was my mail call. Oh my god. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.